I owe everyone an apology because I've been doing something stupid for months. So, you know how Grammarly gives you suggestions and you can just click accept all, right? Yeah, don't do that. I was writing a paper about a really sad poem for my school, like it's about grief and loss, and Grammarly kept telling me to make it more engaging and use more like dynamic language. So I clicked accept on everything because I was lazy. So then I checked it for AI with natural right AI detector and it became clean. So I submitted. Got it back with a note that said, interesting tone choice for a poem about death. I went back and read it, and you guys, I described a funeral as a super impactful experience. Super impactful about a funeral! Oh my gosh, Grammarly turned my literary analysis into a LinkedIn post. So yeah, check your papers, but also read them with your own eyes because technology will make you sound insane.